What's a conservation practice or organization you think people should know about?
A lot of people don't even think about the conservation aspect of the zoo itself. So they come to the zoo and think it's like all about their entertainment, and they look at the zoo for that purpose and like, oh, how come they're never out, or I can't see them, or whatever. And it's like, we do a lot of conservation work here, as both the proceeds of your money that you're paying to get in here today is also helping conservation of animals. I don't think that people recognize that enough, and that we're not just an entertainment recreation for humans.